Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Joseph Jacone. We're over here with Team CQ in Northwest Albuquerque. We have our newest listing coming on the market right now, and we cannot wait to show it to you.
Now this home starts right as you pull up with this artistic color blocking stucco, as well as this bump out that allows dimension for your curb appeal. You're also gonna notice you have a low maintenance front lawn as well as irrigation for the vegetation here. But my favorite part is the front door that's set back to allow privacy on entrance.
Upon entrance, you are welcomed by a floor plan great for entertaining, which is an open living, dining, and kitchen area. Your two large west-facing windows mirror your two east-facing windows, allowing ample light into your living space.
Leading you through the home is a Parkway Gray broken joint laid tile, which brings you into this gorgeous kitchen, complete with Frigidaire appliances, including a gas range stove. Lift your eyes up and you will notice the low-profile recessed lighting that illuminates your twilight-stained custom cabinets with crown molding. Right above your side-to-side crystal stone backsplash, just above your Italian white pesco laminate countertops.
Those same features also carry on into the kitchen island that also has additional cabinet space for storage. You also have a hangover on the countertop for additional seating. This sits right alongside the dining area, surrounded by windows to let in an abundance of natural light. You can also look out into your private backyard, look into your living area where you can see the custom niche.
So to the south end of your home, you have your primary bedroom. Through the arched passway, you do see two windows flanking either side of the bed to allow for a perfect symmetry. Changing it up from the rest of the house, you do have a plush pavilion gray carpet to add to the level of coziness. In your ensuite, you do have the walk-in shower, which is a marbled white Vicryl tub. You also have the sliding glass door, double shower heads, and built-ins. And continuing on with the continuity of the rest of your home, you'll have the same countertops you'll see in your kitchen, as well as the cabinets. And your ensuite has a walk-in robe and a powder bath.
Down the hallway, you have bedroom 1 with a sliding door closet. In here, you have your home office, and as you can see, it has your semi-arched passway, which can be converted into a possible 4th bedroom. Tucked beside your office is a full bath, also featuring a Vicryl tub and surround with ample storage in your large vanity. Continuing down the hallway, you have even more storage in your sliding door linen closet. Adjacent to that is your utility room, which has electric hookups for your laundry. And to round off the tour of the interior, you have your final bedroom with a front-facing exterior window.
Outdoors, you are greeted by a covered patio with a 220 electrical box option for a hot tub hookup, as well as a privacy shade system. You also have a walkway from the front to the back of the property. The main backyard space has these stone tiles, perfect for creating a conversational moment with friends and family during the cool summer evenings. Just like the front yard, the backyard also has a low-maintenance xeriscaped yard with vegetation and irrigation. Not to mention those views to the east of the Sandias and the Manzanos, and the views to the west of the petroglyphs and the volcanoes.
Other features and benefits of the home will include attic access in the garage. You have a Rinnai tankless water heater with the digital display. You also have a curb power auditing system, so from an app you can see your power consumption. Over here you're also going to notice you have a Carrier refrigerated air system. As you can see, this move-in ready home has plenty of features and benefits that will provide a comfortable living environment. If you have any questions about this house, please feel free to reach out to us, 505-252-9779, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And we will see you guys in the next one, and God bless.